Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing my unboxing of my new Cricut Maker 3. So I'm just going to be sharing with you what comes in the box and what you can expect if you're considering purchasing a Cricut Maker 3, or if you're wanting to just upgrade your machine. I will be sharing with you what you can expect with this new machine. So if you would like to know more about this Cricut Maker, just keep on watching. So I purchased this from my local Walmart, and what I'm going to do is just now begin to open it. And when you open the box, the first thing that you will find is that it includes these instructions here. And what it has inside will be some smart vinyl, and it also has your instructions. And along with the instructions, it includes the warranty information. So that is very important to read through, so you would know about the 1-year warranty that Cricut offers with a machine. So we're just going to put this to the side. We'll put that to the side. And then it will also have these cardboard containers. So you just want to remove these. And inside you will find your machine. It will be saran wrapped. So we'll just pull out the machine. Here it is. And we'll remove the box to the side and place this here. And also the machine will include a power cord. And if you already have a Cricut Maker, you will notice that the power cord is made a little different. It has this into it. With the other maker, it's a little bit smaller and less bulky. Also in the machine, you will find your USB cable. You would use this if you're wanting to connect your machine to your computer with a wire or USB. So this is what this is for. And then also it has more smart vinyl and smart sticker cardstock. So the machine is here, and on it you will notice that it has the compartment for storage. This is great for storing your tools, your weeding tools, your scissors, and also your blades. So the standard blade that it comes with will already be included. And this is what you will use to cut. The good thing about the Cricut Maker is it does give you the option to buy more blades. You can have the knife tool and any other blades that you might want to purchase. And it also has another compartment for the Cricut markers to draw. And on the side you will notice there's a power button, an unload and load button, a start button, as well as a pause. And this little compartment right here is great for storing your iPad. And on the side it also has more storage containers. You will find that this machine does not include mats, so if you are going to purchase it, you do want to be sure to purchase some mats. I like to use these standard grip mats. They're very versatile with cutting most materials, so I like to use the green ones, which are the standard cut. They do have a blue one, which is light grip, as well as a purple one, which is strong grip. So it just depends on the material that you're going to be cutting, but for most vinyl materials, the green ones are fine. Now I'll give you just my honest opinion about this machine. So originally I wasn't going to upgrade my Cricut Maker machine to the new one. However, after using my old one back there, I noticed that the roller started to come off the rail, and so it was no longer functional. So that's why I went ahead and purchased this upgraded one. And actually, after doing so, I am glad that I did finally get an upgrade, because this machine is quieter and it does cut faster. So if you're considering purchasing a Cricut Maker or just upgrading your old Cricut Maker, I do think it's worth it. It definitely cuts faster and it is a lot quieter. I haven't really played much with it, so I don't know any other features that it might have. Oh, as well, it does have the matless cutting, so that is an added feature. So if you're someone like me who wastes a lot of vinyl just with cutting it and not cutting enough or cutting too much, then you could be wasting vinyl. With this Cricut Maker, it does have the matless cutting, so you could just insert the smart vinyl and allow it to cut without a mat, which I think is a great added feature, because you don't have to worry about buying more mats, and you can save vinyl by using just the right amount. So I haven't tested the smart vinyl just yet, but I will be here soon. So if you would like to see a video of how that works out, just go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. So I will definitely be testing that out. But my overall thoughts and opinions, I definitely think that it's worth the upgrade, because it definitely just seems like they added more to the machine to make it more functional.